This morning, 3 sailors on the USS Theodore Roosevelt testing positive for COVID-19, the same ship that suffered an outbreak last spring. Navy officials say the sailors are asymptomatic and in isolation. Back on land, encouraging news. The number of people hospitalized with COVID has now dropped in half since the peak in January. Some elementary schools in Los Angeles County now getting the green light to reopen.
I really miss just seeing my friends and being with my teachers because the teachers at my school really care about us.
Also today, the first federally managed mass vaccination sites ready to open in places like Oakland and hard-hit East Los Angeles.
This area here is one of the hardest hit areas from the COVID-19, and so we want to set up here.
Both sites able to provide 6,000 vaccinations a day. FEMA says the vaccine supply to these locations will be in addition to the state's allotment. But as more states across the country expand vaccine eligibility to younger people, shots remain in short supply.
Some states are at the point that they can look beyond the elderly and healthcare workers to ensure a seamless transition to the next phase, knowing that some of these appointments are still weeks to months in the future.
In states like New York, getting an appointment can be challenging for the 3 million people who are newly eligible. The National Governors Association, headed by New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, is urging President Biden to better communicate on the vaccine process, sending a letter saying the way things are being administered and delivered has created unnecessary confusion. This comes as Cuomo himself is under fire for his handling of deaths in nursing homes after his office admitted that it delayed turning over numbers to state lawmakers.
The void we created allowed disinformation. And that created more anxieties for the families of loved ones.
Cuomo also defending his actions.
The truth is everybody did everything they could.
Meanwhile, the family of a New York teacher is demanding answers. Karen Johnson died last week from COVID. Her family says she was denied the chance to teach remotely, even after writing to the school district with a doctor's note that said every reasonable accommodation should be made to allow this patient to work from home.
This was the one time we asked for anything from the school district or from anyone in the city, and I feel like they turned their back on us, and I lost my mother because of it.
As for those variants of the coronavirus, for the first time, the South African variant, considered more dangerous, has been confirmed in a hospital patient in New York City.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.